Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you this Parkside 23 pieces tool kit. The price now is around the 24 euros and I bought it in the Black Friday week for only 15 euros. It's perfect to buy it for someone as a gift because it's very small. You can store it everywhere in your car, under your sink or somewhere in a closet. Taking a look at the bag, you have all these pockets here in the front side. Also here are some pockets, not easy to reach, for extra storage. A pocket with some velcro, so you can add a lot of other tools that you buy separately. And on the top you can mount a shoulder strap, and I think that's inside. And there are all the tools that are included. Now let's see what we have here. There is some kind of a manual here with a PDF QR code. You can scan that if you like. Now let's see what we have here. This adjustable wrench, a small one. Runs very smooth. And then the second is a utility knife. With the Parkside logo on it. Some pliers. Cutting plier. Normal size. Also with the Parkside logo on it. A long nose plier. Also with the part for cutting wires here. A screwdriver. And this is for holding bits, so I assume that there is also a set of bits in here. Yeah, there it is. Let me take one out. It's magnetic, as you can see. Very nice. These are standard bits. I don't know if they last long, but you can also use other bits, of course. Hammer. Also with the Parkside logo on it. And then we have this spirit leveler. Spirit level. It's all plastic, but if it's level, then it's okay. Top side view. Nice. Then we have some precision screwdrivers here. With this rotating knob on the top side. And of course the Parkside logo. Always handy to have if you have to change the battery from remote or something else. And then we have this tape measure. Come on. Feels a little bit heavy. Carrying cord. And that's up to 5 meters. rubberized top, a belt clip, and as I told you before, these shoulder strap which you can mount here and there. So there is enough space to add some tools of your choice in there. Shoulder strap. And there you go. Now I hope I showed you this product in the right way, so you can decide for yourself if you want to buy this or buy it as a gift for someone. I bought this one myself for a family member as a gift for Christmas. And don't forget to like this video if you like my video. If you want to see more ideas, more tool videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.